The score and snap method is how virtually every professional cuts plasterboard on site. It's faster than any saw, leaves a clean edge, and all you need is a Stanley knife and a straight edge. No power, no dust, just a clean cut in under a minute. In this video I'm going to walk you through it step by step. And by the end you'll be cutting plasterboard like you've been doing it for years. Before we cut anything, it's worth understanding what the plasterboard actually is, because that's why this method works so well. It's gypsum core. That's the white chalky stuff in the middle, sandwiched between two layers of paper, a cream face on the front and a grey backing sheet on the rear. The whole thing is held together by that paper. So when we score and snap, we're using the structure of the board against itself. Score through the face paper and into the core, snap the gypsum cleanly, then cut the paper back. You need 4 things: a tape measure, a pencil, a long straight edge, a spirit level for example, works perfectly here, and a Stanley knife with a sharp blade. That's your full toolkit. One thing I can't stress enough, use a fresh blade. A blunt knife drags and tears the paper face, and you end up with a ragged edge. That's a pain to finish. Blades are cheap, just change it. So the first step, measure and mark. Measure your cut line from both ends of the board and mark with a pencil, then place your straight edge across both marks and draw a clean line. Take your time, a wonky line means a wonky cut. Now score the face. Press your straight edge down firmly on the pencil line, lean your weight into it, then draw your Stanley knife along the edge in one smooth, confident pass. You're aiming to cut cleanly through the face paper and score about 2 to 3 centimeters into the gypsum. Don't hack away at it, one good stroke is all you need. Now let's snap the board. Stand the board upright with the score line facing you and let the cut overhang the edge of your bench, or if you've got a big piece like this, you can use your knee. Place one hand on each side of the cut line, apply firm even pressure and snap it towards you. If you're doing it this way, the gypsum core breaks along that score line every time. Now we want to cut the back paper. The 2 pieces are still joined by the back paper. Fold them back slightly and open it up like a hinge and run the knife along it to separate cleanly, and that's your cut done. The most common mistake I see is people scoring from the back grey side instead of the cream face. Always score the face. That's the side that carries the tension when you snap. Also, not pressing the straight edge down hard enough. If it shifts mid-score, your line wanders and the snap won't be clean. Use your body weight, not just your hand. Also, multiple weak passes with a knife instead of one confident cut. That just fuzzies up the paper. Commit to it and stroke. Once you've snapped the cut, you might get a slightly rough edge on the gypsum. Nothing to worry about, just run a Surform file or a rasp along it for a few strokes and it's cleaned right up. If your board is going into a corner or against a stud, a rough edge doesn't even matter. And there it is, a clean straight cut with nothing more than a knife. Once you've done it a few times, it becomes second nature, and honestly, you'll be faster than anyone messing around with a saw. If this helps, a thumbs up goes a long way. It really does help the channel grow, and I've got more plasterboard videos linked on screen now, including how to fix boards to a stud wall and how to tape and joint for smooth finish. Drop any questions in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one.